Hi students, in this class I am going to teach electric current, amount of substance and luminous intensity. First we will see about electric current. What is electric current? Electric current is the flow of electric charges in a particular direction. What are the two types of charges? Positive charge and negative charge. Flow of positive charges or flow of negative charges in a particular direction is known as electric current. Okay. So what's the definition for electric current? Flow of electric charges in a particular direction. Then what is the magnitude of electric current? Magnitude of electric current means what is the amount of electric charge flowing through a conductor in 1 second. Okay, so the magnitude of electric current is the amount of electric charges flowing through a conductor in 1 second. Okay, then one formula is there to calculate the electric current. The formula is electric current is equal to amount of electric charge divided by time taken. That is I is equal to Q divided by T. What is I? It is the electric current. What is Q? It is the amount of electric charge. What is T? It is the time taken. So what's the formula for electric current? I is equal to Q divided by T. Okay. Then in the formula, what's the unit of electric current? That is ampere. The unit of electric current is ampere. What's the spelling for this ampere? A-M-P-E-R-E. Okay. Then what's the unit of electric charge? The unit of electric charge is coulomb. C-O-U-L-U-M-B, coulomb. Okay. Then what's the symbol for ampere? That is capital A. Okay. While writing in words, you have to use small letters A-M-P-E-R-E. But when we write it in symbol, you have to use the capital letter. So the symbol for ampere is capital A. Okay. Then define 1 ampere. When the current flowing through the circuit is said to be 1 ampere. If 1 coulomb of charge is flowing through the conductor in 1 second. If the charge flowing through the conductor is 1 coulomb and the time taken for the charge to flow is 1 second, then the current flowing through the conductor is taken as 1 ampere. Okay. So what is the definition for 1 ampere? If 1 coulomb of charge is flowing through a conductor in 1 second, then the amount of current flowing through the conductor is said to be 1 ampere. Okay. Then here one picture is given, that is ammeter. What's the use of this ammeter? It is used to measure the electric current flowing through the conductor. Okay. So ammeter is a device which is used to measure electric current flowing through a conductor. Okay. Then here one activity is given. Here two diagrams are given. One diagram is drawn by using the symbols. Another diagram is drawn by using the devices. Okay. In these two diagrams, in the first diagram, here the battery. This is a symbol for battery. One long line and one smaller line. Okay. Then A is the symbol for ammeter. Then this is the symbol for lamp. Okay. Here these elements are connected one by one. So this is called as series connection. Okay. See the second diagram. Here this is the ammeter, this is the battery and this is the lamp. Okay. So the first diagram is drawn by using the symbols and the second diagram is drawn by using the devices. Okay. Here what is the use of ammeter? It is used to measure the current flowing through the lamp. How much current is passing through this lamp. By using the ammeter we can measure that. Okay. Then we have to see one problem. Okay. In this problem, if 2 coulomb of charge flows through the circuit for 10 seconds. So what is the first data given? That is charge. Charge is equal to 2 coulomb. Then the time is 10 seconds. Then we have to calculate the current. So what's the formula for current? current I is equal to Q divided by T. What is Q? Charge. What is T? Time. So instead of Q we can substitute 2 and the time taken is 10 seconds. So I is equal to Q divided by T, that is equal to 2 divided by 10, that is equal to 0.2 ampere. Ampere is the unit of current. Okay. The next one, amount of substance. How will you measure the amount of substance? Otherwise, define amount of substance. What is amount of substance? Amount of substance is the measure of the number of entities in the substance. How many number of entities are there? Entities means particles. What are the particles? The particles may be atoms, molecules, ions, electrons or protons. Okay. So in a substance, how many electrons are there? In a substance, how many protons are there? In a substance, how many atoms are there? That is called as amount of substance. So amount of substance is a measure of the number of entities present in the substance. Okay. Then amount of substance is directly proportional to the number of atoms. Okay. How will you calculate the amount of substance? It is directly proportional to the number of atoms. Suppose if a substance contains 12 electrons, then the amount of substance is 12. Okay. So the amount of substance is directly proportional to the number of atoms or molecules. Okay. Here one picture is given. What is shown in the picture? That is copper coins. Here can you count the number of copper coins? Yes, we can count the number. Okay. How many copper coins are there? 4 copper coins are there. Can you count the number of copper atoms in each coin? We cannot count the number of atoms in each coin because the atoms are not visible. Okay, that's why we cannot count the number of copper atoms in each coin. Okay, so the number of atoms or molecules in a substance is measured in mole. Okay, how can we measure the number of atoms or molecules? The number of atoms or molecules in a substance is measured in mole, M-O-L-E, mole. Okay, so mole is the amount of substance in a system. Okay, then the unit for amount of substance is mole, M-O-L-E, mole. The symbol for MOL is simply you have to write MOL. Okay, so what is the SI unit for amount of substance? In words, it is MOLE. Then in symbol, it is written as simply MOL. Okay, so define mole. What is the definition for mole? Mole is defined as the amount of substance which contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 entities. So 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 entities. That is 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms. Okay. Then the symbol for mole is MOL. Okay. Then what is the name of this number? The name of the number is Avogadro number. The number 6.023 into 10 power 23 is known as Avogadro number. Okay, so what is Avogadro number? That is 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay, now we will move to the next topic, that is luminous intensity. What is luminous intensity? Luminous intensity means brightness of the light. Okay, intensity means brightness. Luminous intensity means brightness of the light. Okay, have you ever seen this picture? It is the cricket game. Okay, here the umpire, what is the umpire doing? He is measuring the intensity of the light. Okay, it is bright or dim. Okay, he is measuring the intensity of the light in the cricket side. Okay, how he is measuring that one? By using one instrument. Okay, that instrument is called as photometer. This is the photometer. Okay, by using this photometer we can measure the intensity of the light. Okay, so what is intensity of the light? The intensity of the light is the measure of the power of the emitted light. there will be so many lights will be there. Okay, isn't it? From each source of the light, what is the power of the emitted light in a particular direction in order to see the movement of the ball. Okay, so the measure of the power of the emitted light by a light source in a particular direction per unit solid angle. What is unit solid angle? Angle means angle measured in 3 dimension. Okay, so the measure of the power of the emitted light. Each light will emit light. Each light source will emit light. Okay, so what is the power of the light emitted from the light source in a particular direction? That is called as luminous intensity. Okay, then what is the unit of the luminous intensity? That is candela. What is the SI unit of intensity? That is candela. Listen, why the umpire has to measure the intensity of the light? Because when a batsman hits a ball so high, okay, when we hit a 6 during day and night time matches, especially in night time match, when the batsman hits the ball too high, we are shown to repeat the 6, isn't it? Then in order to see the ball clearly, the intensity of the light must be high. Okay, so before starting the match, the umpire is checking the intensity of the light. Okay, so then what is the SI unit of luminous intensity? The SI unit of luminous intensity is candela, CANDELA, candela. What's the symbol for this one? That is CD, small letter C, small letter D. Okay, then what is one candela? Otherwise, what is one CD? One candela is equal to the light emitted from a common wax candle. So, the light emitted from the common wax candle is equal to one candela. Okay, so what is one candela? The light emitted from a common wax candle. Then, which instrument is used to measure the intensity of the light? Photometer. Which instrument is used to measure the intensity of the light? Photometer. What is the other name of photometer? Luminous intensity meter. Okay, it will give the intensity of the light in candela. Here the reading is given 35.6. So this is the intensity of the light, that is 35.6 candela. Okay, by using this instrument we can measure the intensity of the light. One more term is there, that is luminous flux, otherwise luminous power. What is luminous flux or luminous power? The luminous flux or luminous power is the measure of the perceived power of light. Perceived power of light means total power of light emitted from the light source. Intensity means power of light in a particular direction only. But flux is the total power of light emitted from the light source. That is called as luminous flux or luminous power. Okay. Then the SI unit of luminous flux or luminous power is the lumen. LUMEN, lumen. It is the SI unit for luminous flux. Okay, then define one lumen. What is one lumen? One lumen is defined as the luminous flux of the light produced by the light source that emits one candela. If the intensity of the light is one candela, then it is called as one lumen. Okay, so the light produced by the light source that emits one candela of luminous intensity over a solid angle of 1 steradian. If the solid angle is equal to 1 steradian and the light emitted by the light source is 1 candela, then the luminous flux is equal to 1 lumen. Okay, so this is the definition for 1 lumen. Okay, so in this class we have studied about 3 physical quantities. One is electric current, another one amount of substance, and the next one luminous intensity. For these 3 quantities you have to study the definition, formula and unit. Okay, same way in electric current define 1 ampere. In amount of substance define 1 mole. In luminous intensity define 1 candela and 1 lumen. So here how many definitions are there? In electric current, two definitions, and in amount of substance, two definitions, and in luminous intensity, two definitions. What are the two definitions in electric current? First you have to write define electric current. For that you have to write the first paragraph fully. Okay, first paragraph, and the formula I is equal to Q divided by T, and electric charge is measured in coulomb, SI unit of electric current is ampere, and is denoted as A. Till that you have to write. So what is the, in the previous class you have written 5 questions. Next you have to write the 6th question. What is the 6th question? Define electric current. For that you have to write from flow of electric charges to it is denoted as A. Okay, this fully you have to write. Okay, then the next question, it is define 1 ampere. While seeing the video, you have to write it in your notebook. Okay, define 1 ampere. Next question, define 1 ampere. What's the answer for that one? If 1 coulomb charge is flowing through a conductor in 1 second, then the amount of current flowing is said to be 1 ampere. Okay, so this is the next definition. Define 1 ampere. Next question, which device is used to measure electric current? Which device is used to measure electric current? Answer, ammeter is the device used to measure electric current. Okay, then next one, define amount of substance. Next question, define amount of substance. Amount of substance is a measure of the number of entities present in a substance. Only 4 lines you have to write in your classwork notebook. Define amount of substance. So amount of substance is a measure of the number of entities present in a substance. Okay, then what is SI unit for amount of substance? What is SI unit for amount of substance? That is mole. That also you have to write in this paragraph. Last 3 lines, the number of atoms or molecules in a substance is measured in mole. It is a SI unit. This also you have to write. Okay, last 3 lines, the number of atoms or molecules in a substance is measured in mole. It is a SI unit. Okay, next, define mole. Next question, define mole. Mole is defined as the amount of substance which contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 entities. That also you have to write. Okay, next one, define luminous intensity. Next question, define luminous intensity. For that you have to write the measure of the power of the emitted light. Last 3 lines, the measure of the power of the emitted light by a light source in a particular direction per unit solid angle is called as power luminous intensity. Then the SI unit of luminous intensity is candela and is denoted as CD. Till this one you have to write the answer. Okay, then which instrument is used to measure the luminous intensity? Next question, which instrument is used to measure luminous intensity? The answer is photometer. Okay, so photometer is used to measure the luminous intensity. Okay, then define 1 candela. For 1 candela you have to write the first 2 lines. The light emitted from a common wax candle is approximately equal to 1 candela. This one you have to write first 2 lines in this paragraph. First 2 lines, define 1 candela. The light emitted from a common wax candle is approximately equal to 1 candela. Okay, next question, define luminous flux or luminous power. Next question, define luminous flux or luminous power. For that you have to write these 3 lines. Luminous flux or luminous power is the measure of the perceived power of light. Its unit is lumen. Okay, then the last question, define 1 lumen. Define 1 lumen. 1 lumen is defined as the luminous flux of the light produced by the light source that emits 1 candela of luminous intensity over a solid angle of 1 steradian. These 4 lines you have to write. So in info bits, 2 questions are there. First one, define luminous flux or luminous power. Next question, define 1 lumen. Okay, so these are the questions you have to write in your classwork notebook. Okay, thank you.